Today we will talk about online data collection tools. So, why we need to take online surveys? Due to this pandemic, people are not meeting physically. Online survey act as a bridge to carry research easily. Easy to access. So, we have two type of services, that is unpaid services as well as paid services. What would you like to choose? Will it be a paid service or an unpaid service? So firstly, we will talk about free online services. Google Form. Google Form is an unpaid service, no fees, unlimited access, and it is supported by Android, iOS and Windows with a high security. Create surveys in different languages. Second is Survey Planet. Survey Planet is also free of cost, unlimited access, share survey on social network, create surveys in 20 languages, also supported by Android, iOS as well as Windows with the high security. Survey Savvy. It is unpaid service, unlimited access, you can earn money while filling the form, create survey in different languages. It is also supported by Android, iOS and Windows with the high security. You can get instant results. All counted. Unpaid service, unlimited access, instant result, create surveys in different languages, supported by Android, iOS and Windows with the high security. Pinecone. Pinecone is also an unpaid service, unlimited access, Android, iOS and Windows supports it, high security, you can earn money, learn about products before they hit the market. Now we will discuss about paid online services. For these services, you have to pay money to access them. Quick Survey. Quick Survey has a free trial with the advanced feature of 14 days. It is a paid service. Get instant results supported by Android, iOS and Windows with the high security. You can try the Survey Monkey with the 10 question per form and 40 responses with one filter. Share surveys on social network, create surveys in different languages, pre-written surveys, instant result, convert result in other forms. It is a paid service supported by Android, iOS and Windows. Survey Monkey has 3 plans: Premier Annual, Advantage Annual and Standard Monthly. You can avail as per your choice and need. Typeform. You have to pay money, but you can try it with 3 forms, 10 questions per form, 100 responses. Unlimited access on plan, share surveys on social network, create surveys in different languages, pre-written surveys. You can upload 2 GB file, custom thank you screen, instant result. It is supported by Android, iOS, Windows with the high security. Typeform has 3 plans, that is Essential, Professional and Premium. You can avail the plan as per your requirement for the online survey. Let's compare online data collection services. So here we can observe Google Form in unpaid services and Pinecone in paid services has all the options, that is free of cost, trials, security and many more. Thank you for watching the video.